Let's connect your TripAdvisor profile to Repuva, so all your TripAdvisor reviews show up right next to your Google ones. Takes about a minute. You'll only need one thing ready: your TripAdvisor page open in another tab. No login, no API key, no verification on TripAdvisor's side. Just your profile link. Let's go. First, head to Integrations, then Sources. This is where every review platform connects to Repuva, Google, TripAdvisor, and the rest. So it's worth knowing where this page lives. Find TripAdvisor in the list of platforms and select it. You'll see a field open up where you paste the slug part of your profile link. This is the one part to get right, so watch closely. Here's a sample TripAdvisor URL for the demo. You only copy the part after the domain. So after tripadvisor.in/ or tripadvisor.com/, copy everything from there to the end, including the .html. And you don't even need the slash, just start right after it. Don't copy the tripadvisor.in bit at the front, just this part. Paste it into the field. Two quick things. 1. Ignore that it says tripadvisor.com, even if your profile is on tripadvisor.in. The domain shown doesn't matter. Only the part you pasted does. 2. If you paste the whole link instead of just that part, you'll get an error. That's the most common mistake, so avoid it. Paste it correctly, hit connect. Done. TripAdvisor now shows as connected. Reviews won't appear the instant you connect. Syncing may take about 5 to 10 minutes. So, give it some time, then head to your reviews page, and there they are, your TripAdvisor reviews, sitting right alongside Google, all in one place. Now that TripAdvisor's connected, the next step is actually collecting reviews on it. Check out the video on how to start collecting reviews on TripAdvisor, or across multiple review sites at once, and turn this connection into a steady stream of new reviews. That's it for connecting TripAdvisor. Head to the Repuva How to playlist for the review collection setup, and everything else you need to get running.